What really drew me to retouching was the ability to manipulate reality, to change an image or a drawing into whatever it was I wanted to. I got started in the advertising industry. I was just doing promos for clubs. After that, it was record covers and CD covers. I love being given big jobs with a whole lot of work to do. I have this really strange passion for process. And so I'll start creating new workflows, new processes, new techniques, optimizing everything that I know how to do so that I can meet the deadline. I didn't stay in the same location when I was a kid. I was moving around all the time. It was always a fresh start. I just engaged in observation. I love to try and understand people just through their movements and their behaviors. I decided I was going to start documenting the people I observed. They're who we choose to ignore. Either we don't want to admit they exist or we just don't relate to them. And I just wanted to remember them. You know, I wanted to never forget this person for some odd reason. I have no idea why. So I just picked up a camera, and it was always a very candid type of pursuit. It's just an ongoing project that I don't know if I'm ever gonna be able to let go of. I tend to work in isolation. The last few years where I was brought into either a retouching studio or an ad agency, I just instantly started teaching everyone around me. It seemed like everyone was so thirsty to learn, but in a lot of these shops, you know, everyone just comes in, does their job, and goes home. But there are always people there that want to learn more. They just don't have anyone to teach them. And so I kind of felt like I fell into this mentorship role in a lot of ways, and I really enjoyed it. I think it would be really great if this workflow that I'm sharing has an effect in the community, that people start understanding that we can do a lot more with our images in a hell of a lot less time.